Good morning, children. Today I'm going to explain to you The Tempest, Act 4, Scene 1. We've already done till Act 3, and now we are going to begin with Act 4, Scene 1. In Act 3, we had seen that Harpy had already appeared in the banquet just to make Alonso, Antonio, Sebastian realize the mistakes they had done in their past and how they were accountable to the wrong being done to Prospero. They had Happy not only did make them realize but also had brought repentance to them. We see them, we see all the spirits coming, bringing a banquet, and they are seen dancing and singing around it. We see Happy, the role of Happy has been effectively portrayed by Ariel. Now we are going to begin with Act 4, Scene 1. Now, what is there in Act 4, Scene 1? We see Prospero. Prospero has already tested the authenticity of Ferdinand's love for Miranda. He's very, very happy, and he thinks that already he has given a lot of punishment and torments to Ferdinand, so he needs to be compensated with equally good reward. And he's so happy. And later in the scene, we see that Prospero has conducted a mask so as to entertain Ferdinand and Miranda. In this way, through this mask, he is going to show them the vanity of his art. Also, he's going to conduct a blessing ceremony for them. So, Prospero. Here we are going to begin with the first speech, Prospero. Prospero says, "If I have too austerely punished you." Prospero is speaking this speech, presenting these lines to Ferdinand, and says that, oh Ferdinand, if I have very severely punished you, your compensation makes amends. Then your reward now compensates for all that I have done to you. It means the compensation which I will give in return to the trouble I have caused to you, it will amend all the previous troubles of yours. For I have given you here, now I am going to give you here the third of my own life. For I have given you the integral part of my life, all that for which I live. For that for which I live, I am going to give you 1/3 of my own life, for whom I am surviving till now. Who once again I render to thy hand. Once again I am going to give. Once again I offer her to you. Once again I offer her. Who is her? It is Miranda. Once again I render to thy hand. Once again I am going to give Miranda to you. All thy vexations were but my trials of thy love. All the troubles that I gave to you, all the great troubles which I gave to you, all the problems you have undergone were created only because of me, because I wanted to test your love for Miranda. Now he says that all that you have suffered were meant to test your love for her, and thou hast strangely stood the test, and you have very strongly, and you have succeeded well in the test. You've been able to win my heart as well as you've been able to prove your love to Miranda. Here afore heaven, here in front of heaven, I ratify this my rich gift. I offer you this here in presence of heaven. I offer you my priceless gift. O Ferdinand, do not smile at me that I boast her of. O Ferdinand, do not misunderstand me. O Ferdinand, do not misunderstand me, saying that I only sing her praises, that I am just overprizing her. I am just singing her praises. For thou shalt find that she will outstrip all praise, because soon you will find that she is above all the praises. She will outstrip all praise. She is above all praises, and that no praise is sufficient to describe her and make it behind her. And praises are very less in front of her. Praises are insufficient to describe her. Now Ferdinand says, I do believe in against an oracle. I believe it, sir. I believe it, sir Prospero, even if an oracle were to pronounce differently. Now, against an oracle means if oracle were to pronounce it in a different manner, still I am going to believe you. I believe whatever you say. Prospero says, then as my gift and thine own acquisition, then accept my daughter as my gift to you and what you have won over by your merit. Now then as my gift, then accept Miranda as a gift from my side and thy own acquisition and your own thing which you have won by your merit, which you have worthily purchased. Take my daughter, accept my daughter. Sit then and talk with her. Sit down and speak to her. Please, she is your own. She is thine own. She is your own. What, Ariel? Oh, my Ariel. What? What do you want to say? My industrious servants. Oh, my servant. Oh, my hard-working servant. What do you want to say? Enter Ariel. We see Ariel is there. Ariel says, what would my potent master? What would my potent master wish? What do you want, Prospero? What does my potent master want me to do? Here I am. I am here already. Prospero says, thou and thy meaner fellows, O Ariel, you and your companions did your last duty very well. Thou and thy meaner fellows, O Ariel, you and your fellow companions, you and your fellow spirits, your last service did worthily perform. You had performed your last task very, very well. And I must use you in another trick, and I want to use you in another trick. And I'm going to employ you for another trick. Go and bring thy rebel. Go and bring the crowd here over whom I have given you the control. Go and bring the rebel over whom I gave thee power. Go and bring the group of spirits over whom I gave you the authority here to this place. Bring your group of spirits here to this place. Incite them to quick motion and spur them for the quick action, for I want to show this young couple the illusion worked out by my magic. For I must bestow upon the eyes. Please bring them here to this place and incite them and prompt them to be very quick in their motion, to be very, very quick. For I must, because I want to bestow upon their eyes, because I want to show this young couple some vanity of my art. Young couple, the illusion which I am going to carry out with the help of my magic. Now, it is my promise and they expect it from me. I have promised it to them. I had promised it to them, and definitely they also expect it from me. Now, through this, Prospero has called Ariel and his fellow spirits. Now, Prospero has got something else in his mind, and he want to use Ariel and his fellow ministers, fellow spirits in some other trick of another trick. What was the previous thing that Ariel and the spirits did for Prospero? Ariel and his spirits had conducted banquet just in the previous scene, and now for your information, Prospero is going to use them to create a mask, which is going to involve Eris, Ceres, Juno, and many other things. Now, this is another work which Prospero is going to do. Now, Ariel says presently, okay, I am going to bring them right now. Prospero says, yes, with a twink. Yes, definitely. Yes, in the twinkling of an eye. Bring them. Now, Ariel says, O Master, before you say come and go, O Prospero, before you say come and go, before you say come and go and breathe choice, before Prospero you say come and go, and before you breathe choice and cry and say so, each one of my spirit tripping on his toe will be here. So that now it says that before you say come and go and breathe choice and cry so and so, they will be here. All my spirits will be here. Each spirits will be dancing, tripping on his toe. Each spirit will be dancing on tiptoes with grimaces and other facial expressions. They will be here with mop and mow. Oh, I will do this for you. Do you love me, my master, or not? Oh, Prospero, do you really love me or not? Now, Ariel wants to have the favor from Prospero.